Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War Reloaded early. Many gamers eagerly anticipate new titles and wish to experience them ahead of the crowd. This guide will walk you through an easy method to potentially gain early access. We'll cover key strategies and opportunities that can put you at the forefront of the gaming experience. Get ready to dive into the action before anyone else, enjoying exclusive content and providing valuable feedback. One of the most straightforward ways to play games early is by joining official beta programs. Developers often invite a select group of players to test their games before launch. Keep a close eye on the game's official website and social media channels for announcements. Sometimes, gaming publications or content creators also offer opportunities to win beta access. This is a fantastic chance to experience the game's mechanics and provide feedback directly to the development team. Another common method involves purchasing specific game editions. Many publishers offer deluxe or ultimate editions that include a few days or even a week of early access before the standard release. Always read the product descriptions carefully when pre-ordering to ensure this bonus is included. While these editions might cost a bit more, they guarantee your spot in the early wave of players, often alongside other exclusive in-game items. Finally, active engagement within the gaming community can open doors to early access. Developers sometimes reward dedicated fans with exclusive opportunities. Participate in official forums, join Discord servers, and follow the game's creators on social media. Occasionally, content creators or streamers receive early access codes to distribute to their audience. Staying connected and involved significantly increases your chances of playing Gears of War Reloaded ahead of its official launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.